Hello, my friend. Welcome to English Flow Podcast. My name is Alex. I am very happy you are here today. In this podcast, you will learn English in a very easy and simple way. You do not need grammar. You do not need difficult words. You only need to listen and repeat. Please relax. Take a deep breath. Let's start learning English together. Today, you will learn 10 very useful English sentences. People use these sentences every day, at home, at work, in the street, and when traveling. I will say each sentence slowly. Please listen. Then repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Sentence number 1. How are you? How are you? How are you today? This sentence is very common. People say it in the morning. People say it in the afternoon. People say it in the evening. Now, repeat with me. How are you? Good. Sentence number 2. I am fine. I am fine. I am fine, thank you. This sentence is a short answer. It is polite. It is friendly. Repeat with me. I am fine. Very good. Sentence number 3. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name, please? You use this sentence when you meet someone new. Repeat slowly. What is your name? Excellent. Sentence number 4. My name is Alex. My name is Alex. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. You can change the name. You can say your name. Repeat with me. My name is Alex. Great job. Sentence number 5. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, too. This sentence is very important. It sounds kind. It sounds polite. Repeat again. Nice to meet you. Perfect. Now, let's continue. Sentence number 6. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from, my friend? You ask this question when you talk to a new person. Repeat with me. Where are you from? Very good. Sentence number 7. I am from Canada. I am from Canada. I am from Canada. And you? You can change the country. You can say your country. Repeat slowly. I am from Canada. Excellent. You are doing very well. Please continue. Sentence number 8. Can you help me? Can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? This sentence is very useful. You use it in shops. You use it in the street. You use it when you need help. Repeat with me. Can you help me? Great. Sentence number 9. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my friend. This sentence is very important. Always say thank you. Repeat again. Thank you very much. Very nice. Sentence number 10. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. No problem. This is the answer to thank you. Repeat slowly. You're welcome. Perfect. Now, let's practice together. Listen carefully. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, too. Where are you from? I am from Canada. Excuse me, can you help me? Thank you very much. You're welcome. Very good. You are learning English. Please listen to this podcast again. Repeat every sentence. Practice every day. English is not difficult. You just need time. And practice. If you like easy English, subscribe to
English Flow Podcast.
In the next episode, you will learn English for daily life. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye-bye.